Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Tracy Lee and my channel is about locks, lifestyle, and inspiration. I wanted to come and share with you guys this really quick and easy shrimp and avocado salad. It is delicious. It is easy. I'm using 3 ounces of deveined and cleaned shrimp, whole bay seasoning, lemon pepper, garlic powder, and because I don't use a lot of oil when I add my shrimp, I'm going to drizzle over top some olive oil to lock in all of those flavors. Again, this is really easy, guys. I got 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1/3 cup of sweet onion, a bunch of parsley and dill, of course my avocados, and the lemon is there because I'm going to use it for Dijon dressing to dress this incredibleness. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. The magic of video. And so there you have it. My shrimp, my tomatoes, my avocado, my parsley, my onions, all nice and diced and ready to be tossed up in this delicious dressing. And this is, guys, my finished product. This is 400 calories, rich in protein, low in carbs. Let me know some of your favorite go-to salads that you absolutely love, that is filling but also healthy for you. I'd love to hear about it in the comment section. And if you enjoy cooking with Trey, let me know that as well, and I'll bring you some more of my favorite foodie go-tos. Thanks for watching, guys.